I'm Charitha from 73 Avenue. 10 minutes to Malabe, 10 minutes to Battaramulla, 10 minutes to the highway. Step into this villa type house. This house has 3 floors. We are in the first floor. As you enter, you get a soothing feeling with this minimalized seating area. Let me walk you to the ground floor. Look at the living space. It's well spacious and well light oriented. Also, it gives you the villa type feeling. And look at the layout. Look at the wood structures, all the furniture. It blends very well with this atmosphere. Look at the kitchen space. You have well-built pantry units and blends very well the granite top with these fittings. And you have a nice dining area. It also has the connection feeling with your living space and your kitchen together, which brings your family members connected together. Water combination, the kitchen, the backyard and the water stream. It gives you a calm mind on a busy day. The designer has given a lot of relaxing spots in this house. You have to have a look at it. Let me take you to the master bedroom. Fresh air, more greenery, your energy is always at its peak. Check out the layout, it always has the villa type atmosphere. Look what they have done to another room. They have made it to a fabulous kids area. This is the sweet spot of this house. It has a rooftop bar, and it's a hosting entertainment area. Of course, you have room for a small jacuzzi as well. Take a look at it. Seven Perch land, 4,000 square feet built area, 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. More than anything, it's a peaceful location. I hope the tour was refreshing. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and follow 73 Avenue Realtors.